షాద్ నగర్ వైపు ఉన్న మన స్వర్గసీమ వెంచర్లో ప్లాట్లు కొన్న వాళ్ళంతా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నారు. ఒక్కసారి విజిట్ చేయండి.
Welcome to my show Trendsetter. Well, today my guest is Manasa Varanasi. Well, it's a very well-known name in the field of modeling. Well, we have caught her from her busy schedule and she's at her home, and I have come especially to catch up her in her home, because it will actually gives the feel, how you been into your place, what she likes. We'll discover more about it. Must be you have seen a lot of interview, but in this interview, you'll discover her happy place in her house. So it's the first time, she's giving that interview in her house. She's been going to the studios and, talking about her upcoming projects and what makes her excited in her future plans. Everything we'll find out. So let's find out what's going on in her future projects. Come. Let me knock the door. Or ring the bell. She's here. Yes, it's Manasa Varanasi, Miss India, Miss World. Created a big history. I don't have a crown. I feel like putting a crown. So can I come in? So thank you so much, Manasa, giving me your time and especially inviting in your beautiful house, which actually something different we are doing with you, and you are giving that opportunity, because most of the time when celebrities go to the studio, sit it at one place and do the interview, I think you'll be more relaxed at your home. And we're going to explore more about it. What do you have to say about that?
Let's go. Let's do this.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's come to her first up. Whenever we come inside somebody's house, it's always a happy place, like a we say drawing room. So how you it's like get into when some first thing comes to your mind when you get into your house?
This is the first room that I usually chill at as soon as I enter my home. Of course, it's probably the least used room.
Okay.
It's more used by my mother.
Okay.
As you can clearly see, we have her paintings
I
here.
love these paintings. I must say, it's like feels like you're in some creative place.
Yes.
So your mother is an artist?
She is. And I think she's been a beautiful painter since many years. And I feel like ever since she shifted her job from being an artist to growing me up as well as my sister, somewhere down the line I feel like she disconnected from her art form, and so I'm always behind her saying, "Ma, go back, now is the time. The little birds have flown away from the nest, so I want you to dive deeper into art." And this is just her.
I must say every daughter should learn this, that it's not only your dreams. The mother sees her dreams, what she's not able to fulfill by daughter, she believes in. But it's good to see that your dreams, your mother dreams, you're trying to fulfill.
Yeah, no,
That's
I'm so proud of her. This is art.
Exactly.
And we need more of this.
So beautiful, I must say. It's first is very beautiful lady, the
Yes.
kind of, and then Ganesha and mother and child. And this one?
This is also a very demure, feminine Indian lady surrounded by beautiful lotuses.
Already she has beautiful ladies around you, 3 of us, mother, 2 daughters, I must say. And there's a full kind of setup she has kept professionally.
Yeah.
So I must say it's like
It's a lot,
creative.
this is usually a lot messier, but for the sake of the camera, we had to demessify it.
But I must say it's an art studio. I feel like that. Going little bit, one more painting I would like to show.
Yeah.
She has kept her professionally a stand, and the painting. I think she must be working on that.
Oh, this one's completed.
But so pretty.
Yeah.
The kind, I loved it. I think that this lady is busy on reading something.
Yes.
The creative thoughts. I can see now why you're so creative and you go out of the boundaries to read something. That's great.
Runs in the blood.
When anybody comes or kid, they always have this daddy bear feeling. We always had that kid feeling in our hearts. So is it your daddy bear?
This is, my sister and I. This is Masti, by the
Masti.
way. And this was gifted to my sister almost about 15 years ago. And now that she's...
Are you 15 years old, baby? So cute. Okay.
Yeah. We've seen a lot.
Such a nicely maintained, and see how bad you are feeling. Don't feel bad, darling.
Yeah.
You're just 15 years.
This Teddy is the best substitute to my sister right now, who's off studying her masters in the US. So this is Masti come
So when
Meghna.
you also miss your daughter carry you. When you miss your sister, you must be sitting with her and enjoying this moments. You must be feeling that, okay, my sister is here.
Yeah, this is exactly what Masti is doing, being my sister.
Okay, she fulfilled that loneliness, what you missed. And this is like Okay, something related to prayers or something, or just art?
When I happened to go to this event in Orissa, Bhubaneswar, they happened to gift me this painting that is
Okay.
authentic to their culture.
Okay, these are all paintings.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, in Bhubaneswar,
If I'm not mistaken, it's called Sambalpuri.
Sambalpuri,
Yeah, Sambalpuri
okay.
art, yeah.
You guys are full art lover, I must say, because when I entered your home, so much nature and art.
Yes.
You can see this. This is also very art, unique. One can understand
Yep.
that, you know, we always believe a person who's like, you know, their house shows what kind of personality they are, what kind of people stay in that home. So they're all creative and artists, I must say. So this is your, like, or your mother only?
This is again my mom's purchase.
This is like table or nature connection.
This is a repurposed piece of wood, I believe. And I think as a family and even as an individual, I love being connected to nature. Having elements which showcase our love for
An
nature.
artist piece, more like I can see. This is all you shopped or your mom only?
This is again from a hamper.
Okay.
And it was just so beautiful that we had to incorporate it in the furniture. Most of it is my mom, to be honest. This is mine.
Okay, this
I
is
picked
finally. This is
but
from
the
where
rest
you
is
got?
all my mom. I got this on Etsy.
Okay, and this is painted by your mom?
No.
Okay.
This was purchased. It came
Purchased.
from Rajasthan, and I think this
Okay.
is also an art form that is
Yes, this is art form,
bone
right?
inlay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you also art lover, I discovered. That's the point. We always see, okay, Miss India, she must be more into modeling stuff, advertising, or on social, all other activity, but they don't know that this side you're an art lover also. I must say, I appreciate this. This is the other side of yours, right?
Yes, life is art. What is life without art?
Exactly. So next we'll go to your other place. It's
Yes,
great.
we can settle
Good
here.
of ventilation. I think this house you only bought. So this is your other part of your house.
This is the living room.
Okay.
This is
again
where I watch
feels-
all my movies.
Actually, I feel like I'm some creative place. The kind again nature is here. So I come again to your other place. I can see the feel of art, especially the wall side also. Some trees feeling is coming. I think I can see it's not normal. Is
Yes.
it your choice of?
This is my mom's choice.
Okay.
She's clearly the artist in this house, the painter and the artist who has
So
an eye
she
for
walls also, she wanted every wall. I can see it's different.
Yes, even that wall was all her. She wanted a wall that looked like bricks
Okay.
set in.
But it's not bricks.
It's not. It's an illusion. But
Okay.
you can think of them as bricks.
Yes.
You will never know.
Yes, I even know. And then again the plants comes as you always love for nature, right?
Yeah.
That's always there. So next this is the very first when I came, I just saw this. This is something really nice. He's a grandma.
This is my Amama.
I know you always talk about her in your interviews.
She's my most precious.
I know.
She's the cutest, sassiest.
Where is she right now?
She's in Ashok Nagar right
Okay,
now at her
okay.
place. Yeah.
Because I've seen most of your interview, you always talk about her and you always look for her food, right?
Yes. Yes. My mom's food, my food. I think we're all inspired.
Really great moment, memory, giving your achievements to your grandparents, sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, these are your
Cute day.
awards.
This is just a mixed fruit juice of
Mixed with.
everything.
Again, I can see this frame. This is a beautiful lady. I just met her.
Yeah.
And
She's
you
a
are
charmer.
this one?
Yes.
And she's
That's-
so cutie.
Yeah.
I
Two
miss-
monkeys with mama and daddy.
They're so beautiful monkeys. I must say they're not monkeys, but you're looking so pretty. I'm missing seeing her. She's so cute.
Yes.
How you see when you see all these memories and then mostly we always don't want people to see our bachpan ki photos. When we were kid, we don't want others to see. But I can
Yes.
see the way you have been. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think this age ke photo is more than happy to share it with everybody. It's the pre-adolescent years, the teenage
Okay.
years that were the most awkward. So,
Okay.
वो थोड़ा hidden ही रखना better है.
Okay, but I can see. See, one more pic is there.
Yes.
This is with two choti. Who's this with two?
That's Meghna, my sister again.
Okay, your sister. She's
Yeah.
so pretty, cutie pie. But you are in a very traditional, with bindi and choti.
Yes.
I mean, an Indian look. I can
Yes.
see. So from
Dil hai Hindustani.
So from childhood, you were like this. I mean, very sensitive, cool, calm. I can see in your
Pretty
photos.
much, yeah. I was a big time introvert. I still am, but I was a lot shyer as a kid. I
You were shy.
extremely shy.
Huh.
My mom will vouch for it. My mom and all our friends from back in school. And it's just taken a lot of putting myself in uncomfortable situations, being curious, and forcing myself to be on stage, all those kind of things to yeah, become more open, friendly, and happy and curious to take on the world.
So you were not much of like stage going or like just keep yourself calm and do your homework and go to school. That's it. A timetable follower.
No, I was happy to be on stage. Although off stage, I was extremely silent. And since I was learning Bharatnatyam and Sangeetam as a kid, oftentimes we would have to put up performances at temples, be on stage, etc. But that's how I chose to express myself, you know, on stage artistically. But when it came to off stage, off camera,
Then you're like cool girl.
happy to be in the corner of the
Corner
room,
of the
yeah,
room.
with my books.
Okay, you have it. Okay, I can see the books also there. See, so okay, we'll sit and just
Yes.
do a little bit of more
Let me switch
information
on.
about that. These are your favorite books, like you read all these books. Are you like what kind of a book lover you
So
are?
I love all kinds of books. I think as a child I loved fiction, young adult
Okay.
fiction, Harry Potter, Percy Jackson,
Okay.
all of that. Was obsessed
Okay.
with different worlds that transported me. But over the years I've become more interested in fiction.
Okay.
I love all kinds of books. I don't like to put myself in a box. Right now I'm reading this book called Tiny Beautiful Things. And I highly recommend it to everybody.
But
as well as
nowadays
you.
we see, you know, kids, the new generation, they are actually missing the feel of the book in their hand. How you got this habit, I want to know. Who was the initiative? Who gave you the first book in your hand to read? I think the parents and the family actually, they are the part who make you learn all this.
True.
How it happened to you, I wanted. I mean, all the generation now, they should have a book touch. They're missing the touch of book, I think.
Yes, we definitely need more books being embraced. And I think in my case, it was my friends. My mom and dad don't read books as much either. I mean, if there's any book that they've repeatedly encouraged and forced me to study, it's Padhai.
Padhai,
Those are the
okay.
kind of books they've
Okay.
always
Okay.
put forth. But my friends who would always talk about Harry Potter, Princess Diaries, I think when you spend so much time around people and you want to be a part of their conversations,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You want to have fun and have a chance to kind of share all the magic that happens inside books. And I say one thing leads to another. And once you start reading a book and it really touches you, there's
You
no
can
stopping.
have- right.
It's just one onto the other.
I know. So, Mansa, I had a great time spending with you in your drawing room. Then you're discovering your childhood memories, your pics, how your daughter. I don't know why am I from my mouth, daughter. I don't know.
want
In
me to
future,
get-
keep this video. That there was a journalist came to my house and she was again and again talking about daughter. I don't know. So keep that video.
Jaldi mein nahi hu.
Anyway, so your sister, actually, you are the elder one, right?
Yes.
So, sisters, small sisters are like your daughters only, actually, you know?
True,
I think
yeah.
I'm the right word I'm using, maybe.
Yeah, no, fair to say. Yeah, and I feel like even with parents, after a point,
become
children
your
become the
babies.
parents of the parents.
Yes,
So
yes.
we're
So-
all universal mothers.
Yes.
This is a very spiritual concept that I picked up when I was at the Isha Yoga ashram
Okay.
a few weeks back.
Okay, a lot of things
So,
to
just to
discover
give you
about
context.
you. Okay, good. So
Yeah.
let's little bit discover more about your childhood memories. As you said, you were never afraid to go to the stage. And anyway, you have been going to the higher
I was
level of
never
stage.
afraid. No, always terrified.
Okay.
But you do it anyway, right? You get past the fear and do it anyway. But please go on.
What was your first age? I mean, the age when you actually removed that fear of going to the stage. You remember?
Ooh, I don't think I've ever truly removed the fear. It's still there with me every day, even today, before I get on stage. But I think you just learn to make friends with that fear
I
over
know.
time. You know, and maybe in the beginning you look at it as an enemy, कि इसे पार करना है, I
Yes.
need to fight it. But then after doing it multiple times and you realize how much it's such an honor and a joy and a moment of gratitude to be on stage, to share with so many people, I think the fear becomes friends.
But you always wanted to be in this field like modeling or, you know, getting into this field of cinema, we can say, or we can say glamorous world. There are so many words around it, right? So when you got that clicked, okay, let me try this, and how this journey comes into your pocket?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. I think growing up, I wouldn't say I knew for sure कि मैं एक दिन actress बनने वाली हूँ या Miss India बनने वाली हूँ. Yeah. So I think the philosophy that I've always followed is take it by the day.
Okay.
And sure, bachpan mein I used to involve myself in a lot of dance, singing, creative activities. But there's always a family that I would come back to.
Yes, yes.
Which would always say padhai pe dhyan do.
Okay.
And not that I pursued engineering because of them too, because I feel like I've been a curious kid, you know, growing up, and jo bhi hai, whether it's science, math, singing, acting, I just love to learn, you know, mujhe student hamesha hona hai.
Okay.
And I think it's just that that curious kid who wants to be a student, who loves to diverge different paths.
So what was like in your mind when you were thinking in every childhood, you know, I want to become a doctor, I want to be, वही same thing hoti thi, like in everybody's mind.
True.
What was your going in your mind in your childhood?
Multiple things. Like there would be days where I had no clue what I wanted to become.
वो तो
And there would be days where I wanted to become a journalist.
okay.
I wanted to become a yoga instructor.
Oh my god.
So I think there were so many personalities inside of me, and I would just have to kind of make peace with each of them. So there was the practical side of life, jo tha BTech, etc. And then there was the imaginary side, which had no bounds, which I just shared with you. And but I'm just so grateful ki engineering as a profession, as a domain, has helped me so much to diversify into everything that life has to offer. You know, I remember back in intermediate, जब मैं यहाँ IIT preparation कर रही थी, you feel like अच्छा अगर हम IIT में enter नहीं होंगे तो that's it, that's the end of life. You know, there's a very narrow perspective that we have as students who are studying in strict institutions. But it isn't until you cross that and you experiment with different opportunities that you realize कि ज़िंदगी काफ़ी बड़ी है, you know, and
bigger.
it's huge.
Yes.
So many opportunities out there, and even if there are no opportunities, there's so many that you can create for yourself.
Nowadays with social
Yeah.
media platforms, so much. Yeah.
So it's incredible, and I think that's been a big shift that as a young, awkward teenager, I had to kind of deal with, and engineering has helped me finance my dreams too. You know, so for that I'm extremely grateful. I
So,
love science.
Oh wow.
Go
so-
science.
A science girl into a field of modeling. How it happened, like that Miss India? Who sent your photographs? When you fill the form? From where you get the information? How did all this happened? And being into Hyderabad, you were staying in Hyderabad,
Yes.
right?
I was
and I
working
think
in
that time,
Hyderabad.
how like people were just taking it. Okay, modeling. Okay, for some time, let her go, enjoy, take her time, have fun, and come back. They don't take it as a seriously that time.
True.
The time you have taken into actually a main platform.
Yeah.
So how was your journey? Like how you got your like this all things in one plate, like
Ooh.
filling the form or got the information. Okay, let me try. Then you told your parents, I'm going for this. How was all this? Your
Yes.
stories.
Definitely, everything happened, I think, by chance. You know, I think universe often gives us a lot of
Yeah.
signs. And
Signals, yeah.
A lot of signals. And even during Miss India, that was the case. I had friends around me who were speaking about it, saying the auditions are happening in an Orbit Mall.
Okay.
Jaake try karo.
Oh yes.
I could see the posters around me, and in fact, the first time I auditioned as well at Miss India, it was completely by chance. I was
Okay.
working literally 5 minutes away from here.
You were working in IT company, right?
I was working in a
which
financial
department?
This is a financial
Financial
software firm.
Okay. And what's your designation in that time?
I was a fixed analyst.
Wow. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Miss India is a fixed analyst. Oh my-
Yeah.
The name, so much of difference. A fixed analyst turned into a Miss India.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many years you did the
Magic
job?
of life. 2 years.
2 years.
I
This
worked
was sitting job?
sitting, but we would do a lot of walking. I had the best team.
Okay,
बहुत
so you
मजा
loved
करते
it.
थे.
You were a team leader.
Not a team leader, but I had just joined, right? I was a fresher, in fact.
Okay.
But I had the best teammates.
So 2 years you
and-
worked
Yes, yes.
in IT company.
A lot of phone calls, a lot of chai breaks, a lot of masti while working.
So
Had the most
when you were
supportive
doing the
team.
job in between, you got this opportunity. Jao jaake you go and try, right?
Yes, in fact, I think everything just happened so again by chance
Huh.
because COVID hua exactly around the same time.
Okay.
And so I was working from home,
Okay.
and at the same time they had released applications for Miss India.
Oh.
So on one side I was working,
Hmm.
doing all these calls with brokers, trading, setting up the software, and on the other side we had preparation running for Miss India.
Ah.
So we had video calls, practicing how to walk in heels, getting a sense of clarity about myself, my personality, what I would like to offer to the world, etc. So I feel like mentally, physically, उसका preparation चल रहा था, and side by side work भी चल रहा था.
Oh, okay.
And I had the best team who could help me on
Support you.
days when I had to give more time to the other side. And because it was COVID, I never had to take leaves. We were working from home every day. And finally, jab I crossed and went over to the next few rounds of the competition, I got to know कि अभी Bombay जाना है. I had enough leaves.
Okay. So before Miss
In my-
India, you were actually participated in any other pageants or any other Miss Andhra, Miss Telangana. Have you
Not
done?
really. No serious pageant as such. I think the only competition that comes as close to Miss India is Miss Fresher when I
Okay.
was in college.
Okay, that was like okay.
Yeah. So Miss Fresher was the closest I got to experiencing what it is like to be on a
Okay.
stage, walking, interacting with judges, etc.
And then you finished your college.
Yeah.
You did your graduation. You went for a job, and then this Miss
Yeah.
India comes.
And then after Miss India happened, I resigned the next
Okay.
day.
No, obviously.
So that was the
Your
track.
boss will be feeling bad about it on your team. Okay.
Yeah, no, they do miss me terribly, as I do miss them.
So
but
when you just went back, you have to go to the Bombay. Then how was the things at Hyderabad front, your family front? You need to convince them.
I think even my family was pretty chill for a major chunk of time because they thought, चलो कुछ try कर रही है, try करने दो.
And you were too young. You have a age or something, yeah.
And I was working, fortunately. I was financially independent. And so that gave them a sense of bharosa कि चलो ठीक है,
Let's go.
अभी let her try what she wants to. But I don't think they ever thought that I would win. And so after I won, that's when it hit them like a झटका कि oh my god, ये तो सच में जीत गई.
Seriously, it was a big chatka for them. Okay.
It was, and I feel like for my parents, typically, you hear of parents feeling extremely proud. कि
Yes.
जीत गई, जीत. In my house, it was anxiety times 10.
Yeah. Even for Hyderabad, Telangana also, Andhra also. Oh, Telangana girl got Miss India. The
Right.
proud moment, I must say.
Proud, although at home it was a different situation.
What?
Because everybody, I mean, we've grown up in a very education focused environment, right? And so when my parents were extremely scared as to
Now she'll get more offers.
offers and also अब कौन सी दुनिया में जा रही है, you know, is
her
she still
life.
going to be our little girl or is she going to be swept away to Bombay and just away from us, being exposed to a whole different world and different set of experiences, and are we going to lose her? I think at the bottom of it all was that
It
was
was
their
a
fear.
different journey.
It
I know.
was. And even for our family, I feel just being in front of the camera, being in a public eye so much, right, is such an alien concept. Such way. And so when when all of this was happening, it was extremely like a
They were
roller
scared
coaster,
also.
right?
Okay.
Although big shout out to my parents, really kudos and so much respect for them because I feel like over the past 3 years I have seen so much of a psychological shift even in their minds, you know, and they're so much more open to embracing new experiences and opportunities that are outside our comfort zone
True.
of engineering.
And when Miss India You won. After that, first thing what comes, it will be Bollywood. She'll going to be an actress. How that journey started? You know, there was a lot of news, obviously,
Yes.
and there must be offers, or you know, what was going in your mind that time?
Yes, this is the usual trajectory that we see most Miss Indias taking, right? Cinema. But I don't know why, for some reason, when I had applied and became Miss India, my focus was entirely just on Miss World.
Okay,
you
yeah.
know? And so although there were all these opportunities coming in, managers saying audition here, let's go to that meeting, somewhere deep down I wasn't so swayed and swindled by it कि चलो मुझे ये sign करना है, वो sign करना है, ये सब करना
You
है.
were not in a rush. You're
Not in a
focused,
rush
yeah.
at all, yeah. And in fact, I was more focused on the fact that इतना बड़ा honor मिला है, you know, as an Indian representative, you get to be India internationally, and उसके लिए भी बहुत कुछ preparation हुआ था.
Yes.
So that way, I was razor sharp focused on that. And it wasn't until much later, after I came back from Miss World, did a few, opportunities, gigs with models, with brands, with ads, endorsements, all of that, that I truly started considering कि, you know, cinema is such a beautiful art form, and मुझे भी try करना है. क्या मुझ में है? You know, that's the first question that
Okay.
always comes to mind. And going to theatre workshops, auditioning, meeting with different people in the industry, understanding the passion and the hard work that goes into this craft. That's when I realized कि, you know, they say you always pick your own battles.
Yes.
And this was a battle that I wanted to pick. And I saw it as a beautiful challenge.
I know. And when Miss India, this happened in your life, what was your fan moment? Because there was so much celebrity around you that time, and you were facing
Ooh.
them directly. Before that, I think you never met any celebrities like before.
Yeah, not as much.
Yeah,
no.
so that was your also first face to face
Yeah.
with them. How they congratulated you, or during your practice they used to come and interact.
Yeah.
So what was your fan moment? You thought, oh my god, I want to meet her, and now she's being there in front of me.
Lots of celebrities had the chance to meet with them during Miss India.
You wanted to meet them, especially. I mean, you had a fan moment that I want you to share.
I think the one particular fan moment that I remember is with the super talented actor Rajkumar Rao.
Oh, I did his interview. He was in Hyderabad.
Lovely.
Okay. For Shrikant movie. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and I remember this was for an event.
Okay.
He was backstage. He had all these people around him, decking him up.
Huh.
And I was also backstage, supposed to go on stage after him. And I'm a huge fan of his movies. I think he has impeccable acting skills, and the quality of movies that he chooses to do have
Which was
always
your
blown
favorite?
me. Most recently, I watched Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, and
Okay,
I
you
thought he
watched
rocked it.
Okay, good.
He did an
He will
amazing-
love to. He will love to hear that. We should send him. Okay.
Yeah.
And then any other on actresses side or female side?
Sure, we'll definitely go into the details of my favorite actors and actresses. But let me finish this moment
Okay, please do that.
backstage where he was all busy, and I walked up to him, and I felt fairly nervous, but I was just so happy to be able to share all the love and the good energy that I had for the way that his work has inspired me. I interacted
Okay.
with him, and he was also extremely kind, chivalrous, and it was definitely a special moment that will be
Wow.
etched. Yeah.
So, I mean, there was 5-10 minutes you had a chit chat together
Yeah, you can say a solid 2 minutes.
about your work or how you're doing well or best of luck, best wishes.
Of course, the best wishes and the all the bests were there
Great.
from
great.
his side too.
One more moment, because you must be having a lot of moments.
I used to do a lot of Pilates when I
Okay.
was in Bombay, and
Okay.
a big shout out to Sameer sir at the Pilates studio. A lot of celebrities, sports people used to come down, and I remember bumping into quite a few of them.
But your fan moment, you felt happy, like the way
I
you are
was-
feeling happy talking about Rajkumar.
Yeah, I think now that I come to think of it, there was this one day where I bumped into Kajol. So it was so nice seeing her in a avatar so different from what
Okay.
I've seen
Yeah.
in the movies. And she's extremely chill, candid, casual, loved her bubbly
Yeah.
bubbliness off screen as well as on screen. Yeah, that's what
So
comes
you
to
had
mind.
a fan moment and you interacted
Yeah.
with her, got an opportunity.
Yeah, super bindas. It was fun having a chat with.
So you had a great memories. I think this journey of your
Yeah.
profession gave you great journey to explore, right? To meet
Yes.
good people which you wanted to meet. And let's come back, like, you know, when Miss India was born, and it's not only in India, like even the Hyderabad and all South India was so happy. So when you came back Hyderabad, what was the kind of welcome, and you got your best compliments you would like to share?
Mm, I think
You were bombarded with, I think, compliments that time.
yeah, it was a blur, to be honest.
How
The,
to
the,
do
the
it,
one
yeah.
week, no sleep. I
Yeah.
mastered the art of sleeping with my eyes open.
Okay. Oh
It,
my
it
God.
was craziness that whole week after Miss India.
I know.
But it was so good to come back home to Hyderabad, especially meet so many people, be with family, meet with people from different domains, right? Politicians, we
yes,
had
yes.
social workers. I think it is surely a blur.
You had a
but
fan moment while that meeting, somebody invited you or gave you a compliment through Insta or some Twitter.
it doesn't really come to mind right now.
You didn't got time to check
But
also that
I
time.
think
maybe.
more than a fan moment, I had the pleasure and the honor to meet so many different people. Like through my work as a Miss India, I worked with the Child Welfare Department here in
Yes.
Telangana. And as a part of that, I had the chance to go to so many shelter homes, trusts, and even the department itself, and meet multiple children.
I know.
I think meeting the children was the highlight more than meeting
I
a
know,
celebrity or
celebrity.
having a fan
Good,
moment.
good.
And I think just being welcomed by so many children each time you walk into a shelter home, and to just hear them share stories about
Yeah.
their lives, and it's just pure wholesome energy. And that's been my biggest fan moment.
And I think you're continuing. I mean, I think you still involved with this NGOs, and you're doing your part, I must say. So
Yes.
right now, are
love
you?
to be of service and
so,
explore.
what you're exploring more, and what you're doing nowadays, how you wanted to get more involved, and in a particular way you wanted to go, if you can express about that.
Sure. I think I've always been very passionate about many causes, especially ones that serve our planet and
Okay,
serve our
yes.
society. So when it comes to society, of course, during Miss India, my focus was on child safety and education. It was all about 1098, the National Childcare Helpline, that
Okay.
many people don't know exist, and we need more people talking about it.
Yeah.
And right now, I'm also focused on sustainability.
Yes.
I work with this organization called Make Soil, which is an act and a movement really to regenerate the planet. So the crux and the heart of what we do is really making soil, as the name suggests. We make soil. And it's very simple to make soil. We've realized that so much of the waste, organic waste that we generate in our kitchens, it all goes into landfills and gets converted into poisonous gases. We want to stop that from happening. We want to instead save this precious waste and convert it into living soil. So that's what I do in my balcony. We can check out the composter after this.
Wow. So you have not stopped the journey, it's continuing, right?
Yes, it is. And I feel like composting, when people hear the word compost, people think it's a very scientific process, bahut mushkil hoga, but it's honestly as simple as having a composter in your house, taking the waste, discarding it along with browns, and 1 month later we smell fresh living soil.
So while interview, as you're telling me something which is actually cannot be explored while sitting. So if you can show, I think this needs to be spread, right? So
Let's
let's
go.
just go and let's find out what Mansa do to save a soil and make a soil at home.
This is the composter that we have in my home. It's got 3 kambas, and this is made out of basically earthen mud.
Okay.
And what we do is every day, based on the peels, fruit peels, vegetable peels, tea bags, whatever is left over, we collect it.
All the garbage.
Only the organic garbage.
Okay.
And not cooked food too.
Okay, not
Only
cooked food.
Organic waste.
And then you put it here.
Yes, I open this, I put it in.
Just can
and
you open it? We just have to put it in. It smells.
Yeah, it smells a bit.
Okay.
Are you sure?
How long? Okay, we'll just put it in. That's
Yeah.
it. How the soil
I mean,
is made at
it's
home.
still preparing,
Okay.
but
For how long we need to? How many days?
it takes about a month.
Okay, you just kept it. No
Yes.
water, nothing
So
needs to be done.
typically, fruit peels, vegetable peels, organic waste, they already have a lot of water.
Hmm.
But you're right, that's an important component, which is it needs to have enough moisture
Yeah.
for all, in order the
Mix and-
microbes,
yeah.
yeah, all the microbes act upon the food waste.
So, like today,
Yeah.
I kept it all the waste. So, how many days I need to check or like put water? Is something is there or just you kept it for
Not
1
water,
month?
not water, just for a month. And by the end of a month,
Hmm.
ideally, you should see all the food waste that you put getting broken down
Broken
into
down
soil,
into soil.
black soil.
Wow, black soil. And then
Yeah.
how you use this? Your plants.
Yeah.
These are all your soil, homemade soil.
This is our soil. This is homemade soil. You can see it's pure black.
black, yeah.
Others not yet.
But this is good. Like how you are making a soil and safe soil.
Yeah.
Sadhguru will be happy, I think, to hear this. Wow. I
Yeah, we
mean,
can all make our own soil, and I feel there's so many gardens also that could use. So
yes, yes.
the amount of compost that I make here, it's not enough. I mean, it's too much. It goes
Yeah.
overboard. I don't need as much. So,
But
it's-
this is this soil. I must say, I want to focus my cameraman to show. Can I hand? It's okay.
yeah, you can.
It's handmade soil. You can make a soil at home and make a plant.
Yes.
Grow any vegetables also we can grow, right?
Yes, we can. We can see two tiny tomatoes coming there.
Where?
Over here.
Yeah. What is this?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Okay. So this is a tomato plant with homemade soil.
Yeah, homemade soil.
So it was a great awareness about making a soil. When did you got this click in your mind that we should make a soil, or who inspired you for this?
This was actually during Miss World.
Okay.
I had the chance to connect with many people who were representing different social causes, and that's when I connected with this man who is the founder of Make Soil. His name is Mr. Josh Witten,
Okay.
and he educated me about the art of
Okay.
making soil. And so as soon as I came back to India, the first thing I did was buy myself a bunch of composters back in Bombay, and my flatmate and I, we started experimenting to see how it really works. And yeah, lo behold, by the end of 1 month, we found ourselves with living, rich soil.
Yeah.
And that's when I feel like once the bug bits you, there's no going back.
Yes.
You know, it hits your conscience, and I just feel so much more passionate about helping others understand around me the importance of ensuring our organic waste is preciously
Exactly.
regenerated.
Because we always now believe this campaign save a soil.
Yeah.
Now it's like make a soil.
Yes.
That's actually makes a big sense.
True. I mean, on one side, I think Safe Soil is also a lot about collaborating with governments and people in leadership positions to ensure that our policies are focused on saving the planet. While that is something that big corporations and governments are taking care of, there's something that we all can do sitting in our homes.
Exactly.
Which is this.
Wow. I mean, I must say it was a great initiative, and I think it's not complicated also.
Yeah.
Everybody can do it. You don't need any fertilizers. People always
Yes.
think you need to create, if a good soil, you need this and all. It's a very simple method, I think.
It is. It's a bit of an experiment, but I believe
You know,
everybody
there's
should.
a lot of garbage and then they fire it on, that pollution created. I think
Yes.
a lot of things happen.
True.
I think that can be converted into a soil, which is very useful, I must
Absolutely.
say.
And even when we look at it from a spiritual level, right?
Yes.
We are taking so much from planet Earth, from
What
Mother
we are
Earth.
giving.
Yes. We're just taking and taking, and how do we ensure that what we're taking goes back into her? This is how we ensure it goes back to her.
Great, I must say. I mean, you're doing a great job, Mansa, I must say. You have not
Thank
stopped
you.
because, I mean, in your way of talking, in the way you surrounded by your environment, your work culture, it's nature. I mean, you are so much connected to nature, right?
Yeah.
So let's come back a little
Love the
bit back
planet.
to your journey again, Miss India. So how you reacted, when movie offers comes to you? Are you fussy about it, about your role or about taking a project? You take time. I mean,
I do take a lot of time. I think it's been a very interesting process of learning and experimenting, of successes and failures, everything included. I'm just grateful to have a manager who's walking with me by my
Okay,
side as
okay.
I take on every meeting or every new script. And yes, as far as the process is concerned, I do like to really read the script or really understand what goes into
You did
the
some Telugu projects also
Yes,
recently,
yes. I just
think.
recently wrapped up with my first movie's shoot.
Okay.
It's called Devaki Nandana Vasudeva.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And the teaser and 2 of the songs are out on YouTube. You should definitely
Okay.
check them out.
Okay.
It looking forward to the release. It should be happening shortly over the next couple of months.
Okay. Who are your co-actors?
My co-actor is Ashok Galla.
Okay.
Yes.
So you met them. They were like how it was on the sets. It was your first Telugu movie, right?
Yes, my first Telugu movie.
What is your role? Would you like to reveal about it?
Can't reveal too much about my character or the story. It has many
Okay.
twists and turns.
Okay.
But my character's name is Satya,
Okay.
and she's from Vijayanagaram,
Okay.
and she is somebody who is very rooted in her family.
Okay.
That's
you
all I will
are.
reveal.
Actually, in real life also you are like this. And when it comes to Bollywood,
I think as an artist, I don't want to put myself in any box. I am open to art in any language and every form. Of course, currently my focus is here in Hyderabad in Telugu cinema.
cinema.
Home is where the heart
Telugu
is.
is like no Bollywood. Like all Telugu movies are in Hindi now. Hindi is in Telugu. It's like pan India.
Yes.
The time has gone. But are you
It
a
is.
cinema lover?
It is, yeah,
You love watching
absolutely.
movie?
Love. In fact, over the past 2 years, I feel all the more than ever before living, breathing, eating cinema.
Okay, you become more of it.
Yeah.
So, what kind of movies you love to watch more of your time, or your favorite ones?
Again, love mystery thrillers. I love comedy. These are 2 genres that anyone can never go wrong with. Just finished watching Hira Mandi
Okay.
a few days back,
Yeah.
which was, I think, incredible in terms of visual storytelling. Growing up, it was a mix. I think Telugu cinema, I grew up watching Venkatesh sir, Mahesh sir. So these are the classic movies are what stay closest to me. But in the recent past, some movies that really stood out to me were Sita Ramam and just anything that has that touches you. You know, it
Yeah.
doesn't need to be telling us the most profound and significant things, but if it touches your heart,
Got clicked.
Yeah.
So, you had a fan moment in Telugu cinema. You're meeting Telugu actor.
Telugu cinema. Most recently, in fact, I did this ad with Venkatesh sir.
Okay. What was that? Ad?
This was for a real estate
Okay.
company here in
Okay.
Hyderabad.
You love watching his movies, right?
Yes.
Just now you said, okay.
Yes, and so it was a really sweet moment having the chance to share a chartered plane with him for
Okay,
this
so
ad.
You must be talking. So what were the kind of talks were, and you complimented something you can talk.
Sure, we mostly spoke about cinema, and I think I was mostly happy to learn about Sir's journey and his spiritual outlook towards life. I feel like, especially art,
Okay.
it overlaps with spirituality on
So
many
he's
levels.
also art and spiritual lover.
Yes.
You discovered.
It was a brief conversation, but I was really happy to be working with him
Good.
and to meet him and have a conversation with him. Yeah.
And any other celebs from South?
Quite a few. Keep bumping into them in
Nowadays-
parties
But
and
nowadays, like we see Junior NTR, Allu Arjun, Mahesh
Yes.
Charu sir. I mean, if the opportunity is given, you would love to go for it. And
Absolutely,
Is
yeah.
it your always a dream to meet them or work with them in Telugu
to
cinema?
work with them, absolutely, it is a dream. Major respect for the kind of work that they've been doing in Telugu cinema, and to make Telugu cinema go international.
Yes.
I feel, and also to see their evolution over the years. I absolutely, it would
But
be
you
an
never
honor
met
to share.
anybody? Prabhas,
With-
Mahesh,
No,
nobody
not
met.
yet.
Okay, only Venkatesh Garu you have met.
Yes,
You
Yeah.
never got a chance to meet, or
not yet.
they complimented you when you become Miss India.
Dinayega, Budinayega, to meet with them and work
Of
with
course,
them.
it will
Looking
come. I
forward to
must
it,
say, I
yeah.
mean, the kind of work you're doing, and time flows, right? So how you keep yourself fit, that's more important for me, because the time I saw you and now it's same. So I think the regime, what you follow?
As far as fitness is concerned, my curiosity is always also in the space of nutrition. I love to learn from different people online, my gym trainers, my fellow co-actors. And as far as exercise is concerned, I work out about 3 to 4 times a week. And my diet is also fairly balanced. I like to follow people like the Glucose Goddess, who shares a lot of knowledge about how the different foods that we eat impact the glucose levels
Okay.
in our blood. And to also understand whether the food that I'm consuming has a good balance of proteins,
No, but
fats.
in South we have good food, you know, right?
Yeah.
Andhra food, meals.
True.
So what kind of a love you are, you know?
That way, I eat everything.
Biryani.
Sab
You're a
kuch kha
vegetarian,
leti.
non
In fact, for me personally, gaining weight was a task.
Okay.
And so, as far as food is concerned, I don't put too much restriction on myself.
So what's your favorite South Indian food?
Favorite has to be my Amama's pachadis. I love
Pachadi.
chutneys.
Spicy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love spicy chutneys.
Okay.
Vankai, tomato, gongura.
Bacha ke? So you eat proper meal, Andhra meal at your lunch?
I do. I've just become a bit conscious about the portions.
Okay.
But otherwise, I eat everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Whether it's a Chinese, it's
Yes.
Italian, it's North Indian. Have you tried North Indian food?
Of
Other
course.
foods. So what kind of other foods, if it comes when you're traveling, what kind of food you try to taste?
Foods that when I'm traveling. Depends on what I get. I think
Okay.
sometimes when I find myself at airports, Hyderabad, of course, it's not an issue, but my go-to is either Indian or Asian. These are two of my favorite cuisines.
Okay.
And I love a good sambar dosa vada,
That's always
go-to
ready.
standard, pergannam. you
That's
know.
all. You like it.
Yeah, dal rice, jeera rice. I think these are things we can never go wrong with. In fact, when I'm traveling too much and I find myself at remote places, these are the
favorite
foods
one.
that I like to settle with.
But as you know, your journey is so interesting. What message you would like to give to a girls out there who's looking you, who actually feels proud moment, oh yeah, she has done it, we also want to do it, or maybe they are struggling to get into that platform. Then we hear a lot of news, okay,
Yeah.
they got cheated or something goes wrong. Then
Yeah.
there is a place where you actually create a big platform and big mark.
Right.
So how you give a tip or a advice to girls out there who want to be into your place or achieve that? Because for you also will be some role models, like when Sushmita started,
Yes.
Aishwarya Rai, you must be looking upon that.
Yes.
But when it's come to South, I think you are the Miss India who's been taken South girl into a pan India, I must say. So how
Thank
you
you
take
for
this?
saying that.
I mean, because more of what we have seen, modeling career not been much acceptable. What I was experiencing, and when I was talking some of them that from South, like in North, people still give a chance, but in South, some of the families they don't want, but
Right.
they want to make it.
True.
What advice you will give to their family members or to the girls, or a secret to achieve their dream?
Yeah, I believe my advice to all the women out there simply is to be curious. Number one, we all have so many dreams and interests growing up, but oftentimes the opinions and the perspectives of everybody around us can maybe hide that or shut it down. Don't ever let that happen. Because everything that you dream of and every idea that you manifest in your mind, it's valid. At the end of the day, it's coming from your heart and your interests. So don't ever not follow it. And like you said, there are many challenges
Yes.
that one comes across in any journey. But then again, that's part of the human experience, right? What are we without the challenges that come in our way? And I think that for every challenge, there is always a solution, a practical solution. If not practical, there can also be rebellious solutions.
I know.
But there are ways of being a graceful, gentle rebel.
Yes.
To balance the aggressive side of you with the respectful and honoring side of you. So I think to all the women out there, I just want to say that when you have a dream and you face any challenge that comes in your way, hold your strength, believe in your power, and at the same time, know that everything is figure outable. जो भी challenge है, you can deal with it.
So when you were selected from Miss India and when you went to Mumbai, how people were reacting? Oh, you're from Hyderabad. Like we have a sports people, all big sports people from Hyderabad, and now you are representing from Hyderabad. How people like must be met your friends, you made your friends. How was your experiences get together
in Hyderabad?
Like when you went to Bombay?
Oh, when I went to Bombay.
In your Miss India journey.
Right, right. Firstly, I'm extremely proud and happy to be a Hyderabadi. I spent most of my growing up years
Yes.
here. And I think going to Bombay as well, best part was meeting so many wonderful women from different states
Yeah, different states
of India. And I think as a Hyderabadi, I've had the most fun in sharing
Yeah.
recipes,
They must
sharing
be
our
asked the cooking,
stories.
yeah.
And my home and my heart is always open to all my friends
Okay.
from across the world, even at Miss World.
Yeah.
You know, I made some of the best friendships with so many women, Miss Botswana, Miss Cameroon. These are ladies that forever have a place in my heart. And as a Hyderabadi, I would
I think
love
whenever
to...
they come to Hyderabad, they'll catch you only, right?
Yeah.
They must be asking stories about the Hyderabad, and as Hyderabad is famous for their food, about the
Absolutely.
culture and everything.
Would love to welcome them, and I would love to get
See
to
the-
their homes too and explore their
Okay.
territories and their lands.
So, what love and marriage for you? Because a time always come in your life, a love and a marriage.
Yes.
There are two different things, aspects.
Yeah.
So, how you take that love feeling in your life? Because that makes you alive, right?
I believe I have so much love in me to give out, and as I see love and I find love in all the relationships that I nurture in my life, right, with my family, my friends. And as far as marriage is concerned, I think it's pretty clear that my focus and my love is entirely on my profession.
So, no
That
marriage.
is
abhi
cinema,
tak.
right?
Okay.
No, time. बहुत time hai.
Okay. But you have
I
any
don't think my
imagination?
mom would be happy listening to me say this.
So, but it's like you would like to go for arrange or love. You had something in your mind, or you have something in your mind. Okay, this kind of a wife I get, I can just consider. It's something you wanted
No,
exactly.
I think when I'm marrying a man, it's not something that I'm doing just out of consideration. It needs to be wild. It needs to be passionate, and it needs to be on top of the world. And I really look forward to when that happens. But yeah, right now focus पूरा यहीं पे है.
यही पे, work पे.
हाँ,
But
वो तो
how
काफी
you-
clear
But
हो
how
गया
you
है.
take marriages when you see around? You know, you need to actually give a lot of time on these relationships.
It
How
is
you
a
take? I mean,
full-time
you must be
commitment.
having friends who are married, and
I
they must
do.
be sharing their problems. Sometimes you get scared, and you know, sometimes
I
you feel
do.
it's great to have a partner.
It is
So, how you
wonderful
see
to have
this
a partner.
relationships works for you, or you know,
True.
what is your perception on that?
On relationships, like you said, it is a commitment, right? It's a decision that we make. I feel beyond the butterflies,
Yeah.
you know, and the flowers that we often hear of. I think there is so much that goes on behind the scenes when it comes to sharing our values, respecting each other's boundaries, our dreams, especially, you know. And I think the most important foundation of any relationship is trust, love, and giving each other that space to flourish.
I know.
And I think that's the best kind of relationship that even I would want to have for myself, which is cheering for each other's dreams,
True.
while at the same time having the love that we can come back
And
to in our comfort
Yeah.
zone of a home.
but you
Yeah.
believe in dating? Do you believe in that?
Yeah.
You believe in
Yeah,
dating?
I
One
believe
should
in
go for
dating.
it.
Absolutely.
Because nowadays parents are also open. First you go
Yeah.
date and see that person and then decide, right?
Absolutely, yeah. And I feel like it's important to date to also understand what to get clarity about ourselves, right? To understand the different kind of people that are out there, to share different kinds of conversations. No person is the same.
I know.
And there's so much to learn from everybody. And I feel dating is a lot of fun. And when you're young
take
and
time.
yeah, young and charged up, I think it's all about meeting
I know.
different people and
So you-
seeing who matches.
I know people don't share about it much, but do you had a heartbreak?
Heartbreak.
That was always an
You put me
inspiration
on the
bec-
spot.
No, but because being into a strong side
Yeah.
and dealing the same time in the emotion, and then you
Yeah.
come up.
Yeah.
We need that to boost up more.
I
you
have
know?
had a lot of heartbreaks in my life, but
You
I
had
wouldn't,
heartbreaks,
but I
don't
wouldn't
tell me.
say it was always people contributing to it. You know,
Okay.
sometimes even if a certain goal that you had for yourself wasn't achieved, that is also a heartbreak. You know?
Okay, okay. How you deal with
have-
that? Like heartbreak is like you when you break down into emotions.
Yeah.
Your emotions get break down. How you cope up with that situation? How you deal your emotion controls?
I think when it's a very heavy, hard-hitting heartbreak, what I like to do is just cry it out.
We should do that, huh?
Absolutely, you know.
Do we need
and,
somebody in front of us who see us crying, or just see? I mean,
I mean, to each their own. I guess there are people out there who would like to have a shoulder to cry onto,
Yeah.
but I think my policy is more personal.
Okay.
I like to be in the confines of my room.
okay.
Um, and to just expel it. And then I think after that, there's just this strong sense of relief that helps us think more from a practical mind. Once we get past the emotional mind,
I know.
I think time heals.
I
you
know.
and over time we just find that there is so much more in life to love and embrace and look forward to, and when that realization hits, even if we don't fully heal, it's a process.
People
I
always
think,
say
yeah.
keep sharing.
Yeah.
Look for a friend and go out and share your thoughts. Do you believe in that? It works.
I do believe in that. I feel it's so important to surround yourself with people who are loving, understanding, and caring. People that you can tell your secrets to.
Yeah.
You know, and I feel especially in this age of social media and living such public lives, right? All of us, not just the celebrities and people in the public domain. I feel it's so important to build around you a tribe of people that you can be your most vulnerable, true self with. And I do feel, like you said,
Yes.
sharing our thoughts and ideas with other people. Happiness, it's only truly real when
know.
it's shared.
Yeah. But when you broke, I mean, when it actually broke you so much, what was a big loss of your life? Would you like to share that? And you just came up. You healed yourself.
Ooh, a big loss.
Yeah,
in my
of your life. You still miss. And that actually hits you. And then you came up like anything. Healed yourself or what you
Okay.
did actually. Because nowadays we go through all this,
Yeah.
So what was your big loss?
I'm going to take some time to think about this because
Okay.
I think when we speak about loss, it's also about a perception,
Okay.
right? Because I've always felt like if there was something that I didn't get, and sure, it is a loss.
Yes, yes.
But I feel like calling it as a loss means that I'm giving it so much energy.
Okay.
And I
good
feel
one.
like there's so much that I've gained in turn that it totally makes up for any loss or any challenge or any struggle that often people speak about. Okay.
that will help people to heal also somewhere.
Yeah.
Because when they see a strong woman with a
Yeah.
big crown,
Yeah.
and when they see, okay, this girl has also come up with the same emotions,
Yeah.
and things can go anywhere.
I think when we speak about loss too,
Yeah.
the things that come to mind are maybe professional opportunities, right? Or maybe people in our lives
Yes.
that we lose.
Yes.
People come and go,
Come and go.
equations drift, people shift. So sure, I've had a lot of losses from these two angles, which is people and professional opportunities.
Professionally, I want to know, which was a big loss you just regret, Arey yaar, this happened, maybe you could not make it or ignored. What was a big loss of your professional? And if that comes back, how you take it?
I mean, I can't really pinpoint at one certain thing,
okay.
but I can say that I have been to auditions,
Okay.
where maybe I didn't get a call back, or maybe
Okay.
I've been to, maybe there were certain work opportunities that I thought would materialize, but they didn't.
Okay.
Right? Maybe my manager said, no, that's not working out, even when I was extremely excited.
Okay.
So I think there are multiple opportunities that way that come and go. But I think as an artist and as somebody who believes in focusing where my energy is respected and valued,
Yes.
automatically we redirect our focus
I know.
onto that, right? So there's no time to think about losses.
Very good answer, I must say. You're a
Yeah.
great spiritual soul, I must say. So, a little bit we'll end up by with your
Yeah.
spiritual journey. That's very important.
Ooh.
We always believe, when we become 40, 50, 60, then the spiritual journey starts, which is actually a wrong myth. It actually has to start from a kid, or,
Absolutely.
the day we are
Yeah.
born, we should connect it to the universe.
True.
What is your mantra of following the spirituality? Because everybody has their own way to follow.
True.
What
True.
makes you happy and you feel that I'm into my path?
Hmm.
I'm doing my path of journey spirituality. I don't need to go like some people do fasting, some people go to temple,
Hmm. Yeah.
some people do meditation, some people
Right.
believe in doing something good.
Yes.
What is your path that makes you satisfied and your inner soul feels happy?
Meditation, absolutely. That
Okay.
is something that I wholeheartedly follow. If not every day, at least 2 to 3 times a week, whenever I get free time. And when I say meditation, there's so many different types of meditation.
Yeah.
There's a lot of guided meditation that we have online on YouTube that sometimes my friends and I we do together.
Okay.
Or we also have silent meditation where I just
Okay.
keep the timer on for 21 minutes, close
Okay.
my eyes and sit with stillness and silence. I think there's so much answers that come from even
Okay.
silence.
Okay.
Apart from that, recently I went to the Isha Yoga
Okay.
ashram where I attended their inner engineering course. And during this course, I was taught Shambhavi Kriya. I feel a super strong difference from having followed the Kriya religiously over the past 1 month now, and I highly recommend it to everybody watching. I think this Kriya it's a series of yogic practices, breathing as well as asanas.
Okay.
And I feel just doing that every day has had a super positive impact on me. Again, this is about spirituality. Everybody has different definitions
Definition of spirituality.
of spirituality, but I think at the core and crux of it all is simply feeling a sense of connection, right, to the people around us and to the earth that we live in.
True.
That's something I try to nurture and nourish in
Yes.
every possible way that I can. And I feel like spirituality is also something that calls you.
Yes.
If we truly sit and be receptive and want to listen to the call of it, it will automatically
Becomes.
become a part of us. And I feel like even as a kid, I grew up with just a lot of experiences of people around me being passionate about the earth, being passionate about healthy practices rooted in gratitude, rooted in honesty, rooted in everything
Yes.
that's wholesome, right? Like I remember as a kid in our apartment complex, every Sunday we used to have this gathering where everybody, right from kids to the older generation, we would sit and chant the Gayatri Mantra 108
Wow, good.
times. So, as a kid, I don't think I really realized what was happening. I was just chanting it along with everybody else. But I strongly believe now, looking back, that vibrations play a very important
Yes.
role in our lives.
True.
And I do feel like everything that we expose ourselves to, it becomes a part of us.
I know. True.
And yeah, as human beings, as the creators and the curators of our own lives, we have so
We
much
have some
power
power.
to choose the kind of vibration we want to surround ourselves
That's
with. Yeah.
I must say it's an endless interview. You have a lot of stuff with you. I mean, I must say any topic. So I just want to end up with something small, rapid
Sure.
fire about the
Sure.
heroes only, and after that we'll pack up.
Okay.
I'll give you just 5 heroes and just one line for them. How much is your visualization? Prabhas.
Rebel Star.
Wow! Junior NTR.
Junior NTR.
One word.
One word. Respect.
Respect. Okay, Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun taggedele.
Okay, Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu. Dukudu.
Dukdu. Okay,
Yeah.
Ram Charan.
Ram Charan. For some reason, the spirit of a horse.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Venkatesh sir, as you met, your
Venkatesh
favorite.
sir. Victory Venkatesh.
Victory Venkatesh. Shah Rukh Khan sir.
Oh man. Heartthrob of the nation. And my heart.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor. Rockstar.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. Madness.
Rajkumar, your favorite Rao.
Okay. Rajkumar sir, I'll say just pure class and talent.
Let's do it some heroines also. Samantha.
Bubbly love, just massive love for her
Anushka
and her
Shetty.
journey. Anushka Shetty, Grace.
Lakshmi Manchu. You must have met
Party.
her. You must have seen this, Lakshmi Manchu.
I love her cheerful energy. Each time she walks into a room, she carries herself with so much light, and that's something I would
Sai
share for her.
Pallavi.
Sai Pallavi, incredible dancer.
Oh my God, yeah. Rashmika.
Rashmika.
So-
Rashmika, I say major respect
Okay.
again for her acting
Okay.
and her range. Yeah.
And Naga Chaitanya.
Naga Chaitanya, also super respect.
All respect.
For his work,
Rana. Rana.
For Rana, I say
Boxing.
can we please cut this?
Okay, for Rana.
At this point, you're just going to list everybody in the industry.
Yeah. How much you observed
Yeah.
Rana?
Again, lots of respect. I mean, I've seen him really take over a stage, take over the mic with a lot of class and aplomb. So yeah, that's something that stands out to me about Rana sir.
And Nagarjuna, so you must be watching this movie from your childhood.
Nag sir is pure love. Correct, since childhood, and one movie of his that is forever etched in my heart is Geetanjali.
Gitanjali. So any other star you have observed, like the new ones who are coming up and nowadays you feel like, you know, they're doing well and you would like to give a compliment?
Oh yeah, I think most recently and freshest in my head is Sidhu. I think he's done a phenomenal job essaying DJ Tillu. Right from his dialogue delivery to his swag and his style. So kudos, Sidhu. In fact, I went to watch DJ Tillu with my mom.
Okay.
And she was cracking up so hard. I had a blast. बहुत मजा आया.
So
मम्मी के साथ
I
देख
must
के.
say, I mean, we also want to see you more in Telugu movies.
Thank you.
And doing some
Yeah.
fabulous jobs as you're doing it. This last was very interesting. You were just lot of
It was
respect.
like it was
Good.
like a final examination कि चलो ये लो bullet points
No,
rate
it's your
करो.
observation because you are a cinema lover, so it's always good when you're not
Yeah.
planned and what comes to your mind.
Yeah.
So it's good to being with you, Mansa. Great journey and great time with you with
Thank
lot
you.
of exchanging of information.
Absolutely.
So I think
This has
we'll
been a
have more.
pleasure.
Yeah, it will be more interviews with you and more information we'll gather from you. And best of luck for your career, for
Thank
your
you so
Telugu
much.
movies, Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies.
Thank
as
you.
you're a pan India. So
Thank
it was
you.
great to hear about like what you're doing in your journey and you're continuing the way you've been. I mean, Miss India has been like 3 years, but your journey is still continue. What you have promised to your audience, to your fans, you're doing it. So keep rocking. Thank
Thank
you
you so much.
It
Pleasure
was a
speaking
great
to you.
interview with Manasa. For more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team అందరికి huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.